Did you know yawning isn't actually about being tired? Your brain is literally cooling itself down like a natural air conditioner. When your neural temperature rises above optimal levels from stress or concentration, yawning increases by 300%. The jaw-stretching motion pumps fresh blood through cranial arteries, dropping brain temperature instantly. Even more fascinating, contagious yawning evolved as a group survival mechanism. When one person's brain overheated, others would yawn too, keeping the entire group alert. This explains why you yawn during intense focus or anxiety, not just sleepiness. Try controlled yawning during mental fatigue. 3 deliberate yawns can reset your brain's temperature and sharpen concentration. Your body's been optimizing performance all along.